Alright guys, so then two bedfoot here are the first two bedfoot I get off of my tree since it start bear this season this crop. You see me? As you know, yeah, see tree there. Yeah man, so nice boiling bedfoot, this nice. See it here, almost well and roast. My roast this one. You know, this not really look 100% can rock, but it can go at something. So I'm gonna do break out the stem out of here until the morning. Yeah man, I put this. But if you go and drain for your morning, cause my roast this morning. So guys, I just put breadfruit on pick a while ago. Now the sun, you see me? So I don't know say by morning it's nice. I make it stay till Thursday. When it's that ripe, yeah man, to that Tuesday. So if anything, make it stay till tomorrow, I roast it or Thursday. Depends on the feel I feel, because as I said in the past videos, I like when the fruit them start ripe. When the sugar level go up on the breadfruit, it's nicer that way. Me personally love it that way. You see me? Yeah man. We start New Year with 2 videos so far, and I be a video man, back to back. Last year, I dropped no video. In the last month, yeah man, I came remember 1 week, in December I dropped video for the entire week, because I show you determination, I show you consistency, I show you aggression and thing. I approach YouTube with aggression because I have to reach 1,000 subscribers by this month or the latest mid next month, that is February. You see me? And I want to help me achieve that goal. All I want to do for me, I just share the video. Tell somebody about me, man. That's all I want to do. Just share the video. And if you watch the video and not subscribe it, just subscribe, man. You know nothing to just click the subscribe button right this up. Boom. And click the button. Subscribe, man. Stay tuned, because enough bangers are come, enough more adventures video come, and enough more cooking video come. The channel name, Yard Style Cooking and Adventure. So strictly authentic Jamaican cooking, outdoor cooking only, you see me? Just good fire cooking or cold cooking. Adventures now, you don't know more about crab hunting, bird hunting, every kind of adventurous thing, hiking and all that. Enough bangs are coming, so just subscribe and stay tuned. Share the video. And I always say, I burn up YouTube, I overload YouTube, and my videos, anybody can watch my videos. Whether you're a pastor, anybody can sit down. I want to be feel comfortable, because I bring clean content stone always. You see me? I make sure I bring clean content stone, because everybody can sit down and watch my videos them. And if you can't cook, you can watch my video and learn something, because I always explain everything to the T. So a person who can't cook can watch and have understand what I go on. I not just show small things and not talk what I go on. You see me? I show you and tell you exactly what I do. So you can do it and achieve the same thing or even better than me. You see me? And if you do something, I'm say better way make turns alright. If we have yam, we can use dasheen and we can use cocoa. You see me? I tell you exactly what I go on, so you can look and learn. Alright guys, so see bedfruit here. Time now for some bedfruit, you see me? Yeah. I'm gonna roast it right there, so. You see me? And cook the rest of things right there. So cook the curry bean. Yep, on the cold stove. So I have enough stick pack up here, so you can make fire. So I'm cool. I'm not forget to fire, forget no stick for roast my bedfruit, them, you see me? Yeah man. Alright guys, so everything I use. Salt. See? Broad bean. Some Maggi season. Curry. Onion. Skeleton thyme and garlic. Yeah man. And some coconut here. Yeah man. I'm gonna use all this though. I'm gonna use spice. So I get the fire lighter now. We throw on the breadfruit. So I need to get the fire lighter now. You see me? Got my stir ready, so now get something for the fire. one, you know. If we're going up on fire now. So, cut this now and start prepare for curry. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, guys, so see coconut here, done chopper now. I use only half of this. Yeah, because this is almost the size of the breadfruit, and we don't use so much, just for one bean, no, and no more dry coconut, so the kills all light of the conserve, isn't it? Can use all that and then right with, you know, some leaf piece though. So I am the type of say, yo, if we did no, I don't like eat already. Like think ahead and try best as possible avoid already. So yeah, eat half of this and put them in on the breadfruit. Alright guys, so see coconut milk here. Yeah. And the breadfruit almost done roast. All the ones that are soaked now. So my dry one side, you want to soak and put the right side of it. You see me? But I don't feel it kind of. I feel sick more. For me, I fear it. Yeah, man. I don't know if because of the climate change why I feel this way. Because in December, when time climate change, I feel sick for 1 day or 2. You see me? I don't know if because I climate change why I feel so again. See like what I feel last December. Right? Because we live really cool in the mornings. The days them hot. And the nights them before day, wow. Like a snow fall outside. So go and push through. Come for you. Pad more. You see me? But I'll say go still. We must go. I'm doing start early so I can't finish. Besides I'm hungry. When it's for morning. Yeah, man, so swag on, you know, guys. Pack on and pan fire. Yeah. And break it on one side, you know. So swag on, you know. Quick and fast. Alright guys, so see cold pot, but we don't buy the cold pot at the bone, because this more faster than the cold pot about now. And I feel so good. So link on the back. Alright, so pot boil up now. Throw in the curry now. Different style I do today, guys. Now I'm not burn the curry. I'm gonna try it this way. Stir up and breadfruit almost reverse. I'm gonna check it right now. So this now I can boil it down and then I throw in the bean in it. Simple stuff. One spoon slightly. Spoon. Yeah man, simple stuff, guys. Guys, right now I'm sit down on the ground on a banana leaf. Feel tired, feel sick. You see me? I want another thing said, you see me? Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry for morning, so I can't just abort the mission. Because what's the food? Anything with butter or salt and cut a day. Drink some juice or drink some water. And sugar and water. Don't know what in the Jamaican style. But through me I heard become mind say, yo, how the curry bean me I do. Which is the first time I'm doing this. You see me? Yeah, the idea for my brain, I'm saying right now I do it. You see me? And next easy way I do it. Burn the curry in a pot. Saute the vegetable we will use. Take the coconut milk in it, make it boil down, then throw in the bean in it. I never cook boil down it, but I try to do it this way. You see me? Yeah. Try to do it this way. So checking back when I throw in the bean. Really tired, man, a lot. This thickness just bring a tired for me, so I'm gonna throw in now. Yeah, man. See? Broad bean. Stir up time with the spoon. Alright guys, so it's basically done now, guys. So I'm gonna get a few minutes to dry down a little bit more and get thick up and then we're done. See? Breadfruit done. You see me? Alright guys, so this fish now. So I'm gonna take off now. Guys, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go continue the video. Gonna further than this. You see me? I'm not sure if you're gonna see me eat the root breadfruit and the curry bean because really feel sick and just longer lay down easy back for a bit. So if you want to buy a little more, we just eat it and video it and make you know my opinion. But yeah, I have to do that. I have to do that. Video and tell you my reaction eating that. You see me? So I soon link back and I feel sick, got slight fever and all that stuff. Soon come back and I feel like if me eat it, I might carry it back. That's the feeling I have right about now. So soon come back, and if I not come back, catch you on this video. Alright, look more.